Selamat datang di channel Atmaja Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini. Dan seperti biasa, saya akan berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan. Amin. Welcome back guys, welcome back. Kita akan kembali lagi mengamati perkembangan dari idola kita. Siapa lagi kalau bukan Putri Ariani guys. Kali ini kita akan mengamati Putri Ariani lagi guys. Ya, the beautiful song dari Indonesia ini. Talent muda, orang yang sangat berbakat, wanita muda yang sedang berusaha mengharumkan nama besar Indonesia di kancah internasional guys. Dan kali ini ada yang sedang rame diperbincangkan, penampilan spektakuler Putri Ariani guys, dan bersama David Foster. Dan ini menjadi trending di Amerika Serikat gitu. Wow, keren sekali. Putri Ariani menggegerkan para orang luar negeri memang. Wow, emang suaranya ini sangat-sangat khas dan sangat-sangat halus dan sangat-sangat tinggi. Apalagi ya kita tahu Putri Ariani selalu berlatih dan bersemangat untuk melatih skill-skill bernyanyinya guys. Dan yuk kita tanpa terlalu banyak cerita di depan, link video original ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita menonton videonya, let's go guys.
Halo guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi bersama saya di Marwa Channel. Seperti biasa, kami akan selalu menampilkan informasi-informasi terbaru dan juga terdahsyat.
Jangan lupa subscribe juga channelnya guys, kita support semuanya. Kita dukung Putri
Pada video kali ini kita akan melihat penampilan spektakuler dari Putri Ariani bersama David Foster yang sangat menakjubkan dan sampai menghebohkan musisi-musisi dunia dan termasuk ketiga reaktor ini ya guys ya. Nah, tak perlu berlama-lama lagi, langsung saja kita saksikan. Let's go.
David Foster and friends.
Oh, yes.
In Asia 2023, this is brand new stuff.
And with Piva Bryson.
Yeah, so we're going to get a performance of a song from Beauty and the Beast. And we know
Beauty and the
Putri
Beast
Ariani is
by Celine Dion, ya.
amazing.
Yes.
Without further ado, let's get right into this.
Okay, let's go.
I have an idea.
Yes.
Okay, Peebo has many big songs, as you know. And this next song, he usually sings with Lauren Allred. But I thought it might be kind of fun. I hope you know the song. Would you like to try that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Oh,
Shall we do it? Peebo Bryson, are you there?
she's probably so nervous.
Oh, please. Putri!
Hello, people.
Absolutely amazing.
Thank you so much.
Oh,
Wow. Look at her outfit.
Aw, that's so sweet
I
of
think
Piva.
all the people here know this song because I grew up with this song and I love this song so much. And
She's so good on
unbelievable I can
stage.
sing with you.
Oh, she's so
The
charming.
honor is all mine. Isn't she absolutely amazing? Show her some love.
She is so charming.
Much.
You'll recognize this song.
My goodness.
She is so charming on stage.
She really is. And her English is amazing.
Oh, yes.
Yes, we are very happy for her to be doing this alongside all of the AGT stuff. Man, she is on the world stage with this and with AGT. This is amazing for her.
Yes.
Love this for her.
She absolutely amazing. Show her some love.
yeah. Before she even starts.
You'll recognize this song.
Come on.
3, 4.
Are you guys hearing it?
Till I saw this time,
Things like she's seasoned.
true as it can be. Till I saw this time, true as it can be. Barely even friends, then
mantap, mantap.
Wow, this is such an amazing song.
Yeah.
And I didn't even recognize Pivo because, you know, he looked different, but he looks great here.
Man, this is just as good as any performance of this song I have ever heard.
And I grew up with this song as well. We all did.
Yeah, it's a classic. This is absolutely a classic, and this is as good as any version ever done.
Yes, and she's so beautiful.
Wow.
Here we go.
Mantap. Respon pertama langsung kagum ya. Mantap.
I almost flipped out of my chair. I couldn't even get a chance to take a sip of coffee because this is so good. I'm overwhelmed. Holy shit. They're both amazing vocalists. Man, two entirely different voices, but it blends together well. This sounds beautiful, man. I mentioned Putri looks absolutely stunning. Oh my god.
Wow.
Just everybody is so respectful in this. They're doing their thing. They're singing from the top of their heart. You can feel that emotion. Then my guy Peebo just throws on some vocal reaches. Unheard of, man. That's amazing. Holy shit. I'm jealous of the crowd. If I would have been there, oh man, would have had the experience of a lifetime.
Mantap. Kehadiran mereka berdua langsung ditanggapi dengan baik ya guys. Mantap, mantap.
Both voices so godly. But anyways, yeah, lucky people in the crowd. Amazing performance so far. I'm definitely enjoying this. And hopefully Putri Ariani enjoyed performing this as well. Wow. I know she did. Just happy for her as well.
Mantap. Ini seperti milik konser aslinya ya guys.
Wow, she is so professional and she is just mesmerizing, and she sounds like a seasoned singer here.
I mean, she is. She's a professional.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
She does it like the best of them.
Yes.
You know,
pretty impressive.
Clearly, this was not the first thing that she performed during this concert.
Correct.
I'm curious.
What other
she was
song?
at the piano before.
I know.
Obviously, there's more to this that we have not seen. I want that too.
I know, right?
I want to see what she did before this.
I
hope we get to.
Yes.
I hope we get to.
And we got this one straight from her channel.
Yes.
Mantap. Seorang gadis muda profesional yang sedang mengguncang panggungnya David Foster ya guys ya. Mantap. Gokil, gokil.
Keren sekali guys.
Wow.
Amazing, amazing.
Aww.
I love it.
That was
Wow,
amazing. That was such an amazing.
Yeah, we're gonna have to keep our eyes peeled for new releases from that occasion, because that would be awesome to get more of this. Perhaps she sang with other people. Perhaps she sang alone. I don't know.
That was beautiful. Holy crap. Holy crap. I didn't want to talk through the song anymore, right? You know, at the end. But a reaction video has to be a reaction video with commentary, that's the thing.
Oke, mantap. Itu dia guys.
Oke guys, terima kasih buat abangnya yang sudah membuat video kompilasi sebagus ini, dan yuk kita akan deskripsikan apa yang sudah kita lihat tadi. Jadi wow memang amazing sekali guys. Penampilan tadi memang menjadi menjadi trending di Amerika, menjadi bahan perbincangan di luar negeri juga. Bahkan para pengamat, bahkan tokoh-tokoh vokal dunia juga sangat-sangat kagum dengan penampilan Putri Ariani di konser semegah itu guys. Memang wow amazing. Sukses terus buat Putri Ariani menjadi go internasional. Kami bangga semua intinya kita semua bangga kepada Putri Ariani, dan memang wow, kita akui penampilan Putri Ariani apapun lagu yang dibawakan selalu dengan penghayatan dan penjiwaan yang sangat-sangat luar biasa guys. Kalau saya lihat Putri Ariani menyanyikan lagu apapun dengan sepenuh hatinya, pasti pakai hati. Makanya lirik atau nada yang dilantunkan dalam lagu-lagu itu sangat-sangat terasa jika kita mendengarnya. Dan wow, intinya kita dukung, kita support terus. Saya mengajak kalian untuk mendukung Putri Ariani agar lolos nanti di acara Kaget. Ya intinya kita support semuanya, ada cakrakan juga. Intinya kita support, kita dukung. Yuk kita dukung intinya. Dan apa tanggapan kalian? Kalian juga boleh tulis di kolom komentar. Kita bisa berdiskusi di situ. Sekian video kali ini, dan mungkin jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.